Alright, let's get to do some sanding. I'm going to sand this down, take the edges off. Ah, shit. And then break out the finer sandpaper. I think this is 100 or something like that. Do a quick once over. That breaks that down, gets all that loose crap off. And then I think this is 180. Yeah, that's a baby's bottom right there. Now this side's ready. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna do the other top, the other side like this, and then we're going to start with the bondoing. This is a Roby random sander. You want to use a random one so you don't gouge the wood. Oh, hey now. Alright, I think this piece might be shot. Yep. Yeah, I think this piece is done. No more Velcro for this guy. And that is how you sand a head. Alright, so I never used this product before. This wood stuff says 50 to 1. I'm used to using this stuff, this plastic wood stuff, but I'm noticing that this stuff does not hold up. If you bump into it hard enough, it will crack and fall off. So this stuff, it's not like car Bondo, which I tried and was not very good with. So this is wood stuff, so we're gonna try this. Oh shit, it's got some, it smells like Bondo. It says 50 to 1. Yeah. So I guess just put a little bit of this on it. Well, it says it's supposed to change color. 2 minutes.
John, it's a loose wire, right? Yeah, right.